Hello everyone, we're back after 2 weeks helping a friend house hunt and doing some location research in Italy. Today we're featuring 2 unique homes in the region of Lazio. The first is about an hour and a half north of Rome, and the second is a little over an hour south of Rome. The first home is in the centre of the historic village of Cottanello. It's spread over 3 floors and has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, along with several character features such as wood beam ceilings, terracotta tile floors, exposed stone accents and a fabulous fireplace. It also has a wonderful panoramic view terrace. This 225 square metre property is on the market for €118,000. The second property is in the characteristic medieval village of Torre Cajetani. This 126 square metre home has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is arranged over 3 floors. From the first floor, you can access the exclusive view terrace, which is perfect for aperitifs and al fresco dining. There are also a few older shed-type buildings and a non-adjacent plot of land of 7,000 square metres, which is 1.7 acres or 0.7 hectares. And the asking price is just €95,000. You can find links to the Realtors' original listings with more details and their contact information in the video notes below.